Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore the features of StockRoI Web App. Return on investments. It's the heartbeat of every stock portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer taking your first steps into the world of stock investments, analyzing the stock returns is the core for every smart financial decision. Now, imagine a tool that simplifies this process for you. Yes, here is StockRoI Web App, a user-friendly application designed to analyze the return on investments of individual stocks and mutual funds in your portfolio. The StockRoI Web App provides insights and analytics that will empower you to make informed decisions about your stock investments. Now, let's see how StockRoI Web App can be a game changer in your investment journey. To access the StockRoI Web App, go to www.techsol.com on your browser. Click on the StockRoI Web App button. Complete the subscription procedures to see the home page of the web app. So here's the home page of the StockRoI Web App. The first step is to create a portfolio. You can create a diversified portfolio of mutual fund and stocks. So let me show you how to do that. Click on the Show Portfolio button and start entering the details, like the stock name, the buy quantity, and the buy price. So the very first stock is here. Enter the name and the buy quantity and the buy price, which is the cost of one stock. Click on the Save button. Now let's enter a mutual fund. You have to enter the mutual fund code here. If you're not aware of the mutual fund code, you can look up for it in www.investing.com. There, if you search for the mutual fund names, it will display the codes. So you can take it from there and key it in here. The buy quantity and the buy price. You can save it. So here's a simple and a very small portfolio of a stock and mutual fund. You can make any modifications to the details. Just select the particular item and make the edits. So here I'm changing the buy quantity and then the buy price. Just save it to see the changes. And you can also remove any item by selecting the particular stock or mutual fund and click on the Remove button. The web app provides a sample portfolio which you can make use of. For that, you have to click on the sandwich menu and you can use the Load Sample Portfolio option. You can also download the portfolio which you just created onto your PC and use the Clear Portfolio to clear the portfolio you created. And if you have any portfolio design on your PC or laptop, you can just click on it and select the particular file from here and open it. So right now we are focusing on Load Sample Portfolio. Click on Show Portfolio and here it is. The web app provides this sample portfolio for a hassle-free start for you. You can see it is a mix of mutual fund and stocks and it has all the details here. You can make any modifications to it. You can customize it as per your requirements. You can make any changes to any buy quantity or the buy price. And you can also add new stock. You can remove any item from here. So it's a very simple interface that helps you to create a stock without any issues. Like you can just have an easy start. So any item that is displayed here can be selected for detailed analysis, which I'll show you shortly. The portfolio table that you see here can be used interactively, where you can select any item, any stock or mutual fund for which you want to see the data insights, analytics, and ROI charts. So let me select some stocks and mutual funds from here. And down below the table, the selected items appear as green buttons. You can see them here. You can also use the Select All button to select all the items at one go. And there's an option to select the time frame. You can see that here. So the data and insights are by default displayed for month. You can choose by week or by date. So next segment is the buy and sell recommendations table. For each stock that is selected, it will show the buy above price and the sell below price. It's based on a tested formula. This can be used for information purpose. Please do consult your financial advisor before making the actual investment. The web app shows the total invested amount here for the items that you selected, and it shows the net ROI, that is the actual gains or loss amount, and the ROI percentage. So you can get a snapshot, a quick snapshot of your investment here. So the net ROI here looks positive and 34% of ROI returns. So it's a quick narrative that will help you to see the efficiency of your portfolio. The next table gives a detailed analysis of all your investments that you selected. For each mutual fund and stock that you selected, it shows the total invested amount, the investment percentage, return on investments, percentage on the total returns, and percentage on the invested amount. So this analysis will help you in understanding the efficiency of your current investments. You can also use these insights to plan and strategize your future investments. The next table shows the return on investments for the current year. It shows the monthly returns on the investments that you selected. So it shows the month-on-month returns because you have chosen the by-month option. If you choose weekly or daily, it shows the corresponding weekly and daily returns. You can keep a close watch on the returns on your investments with the help of this table. This table can also be used to view the past ROI data. You can go up to 4 years and watch the ROI. Select any year and you can get the month-on-month returns on the investments. If you have been investing in stock market for some years, this data and table will help you understand the success and overall profitability of your investments. Even if you're new to stock market, you can pick the stocks and watch the past ROI data with the help of this table. And the next part of the web app is the charts. The charts by default display the monthly data. You can switch between monthly, weekly, and daily. I showed you before. You can choose a time frame. Here you can choose by week or by month or by date as per your analysis requirements. So the very first chart that we are going to see is the return on investment trends chart. As you can see, it lays out the ROI amounts of each investment month on month for the current year. You can see the trends of the ROI for each stock with the help of the colored lines. There are some stocks, if they are performing consistently well, then you can bookmark them to buy more of them and the market provides the right opportunity. It's a pretty useful chart for the beginners also. Just pick the stocks that you want to buy and check how the ROI trends have been year on year or in the past ROI trends. That will help you understand the stability of the stock in terms of the returns. With the help of this chart, you can make the right decision. And when the market provides the favorable condition, you can buy them. The next chart is the ROI percentage chart. So this is a very simple and easy to read chart which shows the profitability of your investments over the selected time frame. Here it is for the current year and over the months how the investments look like. So you can see some stocks and mutual funds have negative return on investments and some have positive ROI percentage. So based on this, you can identify the potential risk of having a particular stock in your current investments portfolio and accordingly rebalance it. The next one is the portfolio ROI summary chart. So as the name suggests, it gives the big picture of your investments, the total investments or the ROI of the entire portfolio over the months. So here, let me choose the weekly time frame and let's see how the ROI summary for weeks look like. Just a different perspective. So let's choose by week here. The data is getting fetched for the weekly analysis of portfolio ROI summary. So you can see that during some weeks the ROI is really low. So this could be a research point, what made or what events in the market led to the low ROI of your investments. And accordingly, you can make changes or being better prepared for the future investments. You can analyze how it got corrected in the later weeks and what are the stocks that are pulling down so that you can really use it for rebalancing your investments. So that's about it. So the next one is the ROI net change. So as the name implies, so it shows the movement of the ROI over the weeks, how each investment moved, whether there's a positive or negative movements. So let me switch back to the monthly data. So the ROI net change for the month for each investment, how the movement have been, will be helpful to you to understand the stocks and mutual funds, which one you can capitalize more and which one you can really wait till the market gives a favorable time. So it's a very useful chart. So all these charts will help you understand your portfolio from the ROI perspective. Now let's move on to the last section of the web app, which is the stock details table. For each investment that you selected, at the end of the time frame, be it monthly, weekly, or daily, it shows the closing price. It also shows the invested amount of each investment and ROI percentage and the ROI amount and the net change. So you can navigate through the table to get an idea about your investments that had a stellar performance or which one really struggled at the end of the time frame. So that's a wrap, viewers. We hope you found the video really useful and insightful. Every section of the web application provides valuable ROI insights for your current investments or those that you're considering for future. You can also create a portfolio of US stocks using the NYSE option. Have an easy start with the web app by using the sample portfolio that the web application provides. StockRoI is simple, ad-free, and no-noise interface. It just lets you focus on creating an investment portfolio and analyzing the profitability of your current or future investments. StockRoI's visual charts and data will help you see the performance of your investments in real time, and it empowers you to make decisions based on data, trends, and patterns rather than making decisions driven by emotions. So do try out the web app by subscribing to it in www.techsolve.com. Write to us your queries, feedback, and experiences about this web app to techsolve@gmail.com. Until next time, thank you and happy investing.